Hello, hello, hello! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat! I'm back! This is Cook with Rose. So, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe! I'm cooking this one. This is my beef tacos. Tacos! See, this smells bad. It smells like an Arabic. But I wanna eat it. Oh my god. Hi guys, I'm cooking this. I'm cooking this because I have 2 eggs and I'm adding here the onion and the capsicum. So, my food for tonight. I'm going to make my sisig. My version of sisig. So I'm adding here the beef. That's my tacos, guys, that I cooked this afternoon, but I can't eat it. I like to put something on it. So, there is my beef and beef and egg. Haha! Really guys, another beef is cooked already. So, this is done. Looks so good, right? Beef, bread, and egg. So this is my own version. I don't know what I'm gonna call this after. Alright. So I hope guys you will like this. My kind of food. Beef sisig with an egg, and it will turn into tacos. Okay, I will let you know. I will let you see it. And I'll show it to you guys. And for sure, many of you there will crave for this. This is so good. And okay, let's do plating, guys. This is cooked already. And wait for another. Ooh. Wow. It has a bit on it. And I added here an onion and the bell pepper, so there's a spices in here. Okay. Okay, let's do plating. Plating time, and I will add some tacos in here, and you know, excuse me. Wait. Hold on, guys, hold on. Stay tuned, please. Tada! Look at this, guys. Okay, here it is now. Ooh! Wow! This is so good! This is my dinner for today. Today is Tuesday. So, light dinner. And I don't have rice, guys. I won't eat rice tonight because it's evening. I never eat rice in the evening. So, it's just eat light dinner, okay? So I hope you all guys will like this, and I'm adding here this tacos. Wow! Yeah, I told you guys, this is my tacos. See? So one more. You think, guys, this is so good. Okay, and let's mix it. Ooh, there's something missing in here. I have to add the mayo. Yeah, the mayo. And oh, okay. Okay, guys. This is my dinner for tonight. And simple. Sis Nancy, probably you will ask again if I am eating this alone. Yeah, I'm eating this by myself. No one will eat this one, but only Mrs. Nancy. Only Mrs. Nancy. Because I know that you will ask me again. Sis Rose, are you eating it alone? Yeah, I am eating this alone by myself. All by myself. Do you wanna be? Sis Nancy, I'm eating this alone. If you want to eat with me, you can come over here. Anyway, shout out dyan guys sa inyong lahat ng mga nanonood ngayong gabi. And I hope you will like this. So, let me add some mayo in here. Mayo. Let's add mayo. See, this is my tacos, beef tacos. So, yeah, there's a tomato. No, there's a tomato and tacos. Okay, guys, let me get some mayo in here so it will taste so good. Okay, so I think everybody will crave right now, and I hope guys you will like this. This is my own version of tacos. This is spicy actually, and I added here some spices a while ago. And okay, let me add the, see, look at that. This is a lot of it. Okay, let me get the mayo. Wait lang. Then, guys. I think this is too much, no? So, that's enough. Okay. It's about time to mix it, guys. Woo! 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 Yeah, let's enjoy the simple food. I don't need to buy outside. If you think of your own food, I don't need to buy. So I can't buy because I don't have money. I don't buy because I don't have money. So since I have this tacos and beef and some of the ingredients, so I make it my own. Diba? Kayo guys, kung marunong kayo magluto, you cook, don't buy outside because it's too much cost and money. So be practical sometimes, you know. So ayan na. This is done and this is my finish. So, that's all for tonight guys, and I hope you like this. Thank you everyone for watching and keep supporting my channel. And I hope you like this kind of tacos. Yeah, yay! Thank you guys! Bye-bye and shout out to everyone. Shout out to you babe. I hope you're okay. Anyway. Thank you Star Team and the other watching in here tonight. Thank you everyone. And I hope you all guys won't get tired of supporting my channel. And love you all. Bye bye guys. Thank you. See? This is so good. Ow! Napasok.
Try me if you wanna hate. You know where to find me, and if you're going hate this, cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turn